At the conclusion of the previous lesson, Gasoline Line Chart Video 6, here in Video 7, your worksheet should look like this. Please compare your values for the Gulf Coast with mine and make sure that we agree. Let me know if you see any discrepancies, some mistake I may have made. Once you've done that, let's go and rename this worksheet. And we will just add Video 6 and 7. So this will be the first part in creating a 2-series line chart. Step 1. Select B5, which is the label heading West Coast. Select the values. Insert. Chart. If you do not have a line chart shown, just come over to Chart Type and make sure you do select Line Chart. Before we place this chart on its own sheet, let's go ahead and add a second series. We're in Setup, Add Series. So right now we have the first series, which is the West Coast. Now we're going to add the Gulf Coast. So click Add Series. Select the data range. Come back to your worksheet. Select Gulf Coast and the values. Click OK. So blue is the West Coast, red is the Gulf Coast. Price per gallon is on the vertical axis. We do need to add the x-axis labels. X-axis. Select the data range. Select date there in A5. And then select all of the dates. Return to edit. And our dates are listed below. And then while we're here, let's go ahead and make sure that horizontal axis is formatted correctly as far as treating the dates as labels. And we can do that by going to Customize, Horizontal Axis, and then make sure that if this is not selected, treat labels as text, that you do so. You can see the difference in how it treats that line, because when it's a date, it's treating it as though it's an entire year, and we want to condense that and treat those dates actually as labels so that our chart will look like this, because we do have a big jump. We go from October of 2019 and then all of a sudden we're in August of 2020. Now we can go ahead and place that on its own sheet. Let's go ahead and put in our titles for the remainder of this video. Customize, and we'll start with the main title, chart title, and what we can do here is let's quickly go back to our worksheet and just go ahead and just grab that worksheet title, copy that. I used Control-C, little shortcut there. And then we could just go ahead and paste that in with a Control-V command, or you can right-click and paste. And then you'll want to format that. Let's make that size 30, bold, center, and black. Let's do the same thing for the chart subtitle. This time I'll right-click, click Copy, and paste that title in, and once again format that as, we'll do that size 24, bold, put it in the center, and black. And once you have that done, have me come by and look at it, and that will conclude Gasoline Line Chart Video 7. In the next lesson, we will continue formatting this 2-series chart.